Good morning, welcome to another video from Barclay Motor Company of Hopwoods at Birmingham. In this video we'll be showcasing our Audi A3. It's a 1.6 TDI Sport, it's Euro 6 so it's ULEZ compliant and it's start-stop. 1.6 manual diesel. As you can see it's a 2014 on a 64. It's 2 owners from new and it's only covered 33,000 miles. Now this 1.6 diesel is a free tax, so free to tax and ULEZ compliant. Has a full service history and it has just been serviced by us at Barclay Motor Company. Has factory fitted satellite navigation, 2 keys, rear park sensors, as you can see, alloy wheels, Continental Sport tyre, alloy wheel, absolutely immaculate. Looks like very recent discs and pads on the front. Another Continental tyre, unmarked wheel, inside black cloth. It's a TDI Sport, so it has the sport seats. But that's not a stain on the front seat, by the way, that's just where I've just put a wet cloth down. That's just water, that will dry off. It is pretty immaculate everywhere, this car. Multifunction steering wheel, obviously satellite navigation, Bluetooth, start, stop. It's got the Audi Drive Select, so different modes for the drive, for the way the car drives. Lovely and clean. As I say, that is just water where I've put a damp cloth on the seat. It is not a stain, it will dry off. I'll show you in the boot, so rear park sensors, parcel shelves in there, lovely and clean, and this car should have space saver spare wheel, which I think is quite important, and it does have a space saver spare wheel, jack and wheel brace and alloy wheel locking key. Lovely mileage, 33,000 for a car that's 9 years old. Got a good service history as well and has just been serviced. Sport model, looks good with the privacy glass and the sport alloys. And as I say, it's got sport seats. Got front fog lamps. Electric windows, electric mirrors. Show you the mileage. So if I close the door, 32,973 miles. Obviously we've got the satellite navigation, Bluetooth for your telephone, radio, including DAB digital radio. And you'll have music playback through the BT audio player. Drive select, so you've got drive select auto, dynamic, individual, and an efficiency mode and a comfort mode. So altogether, great little package this. Electronic handbrake obviously. Really good on fuel. I'll tell you the fuel consumption. So fuel consumption around town 62, on the motorway 83 miles to the gallon, and combined 74 mpg, free road tax, ULEZ compliant, low mileage, 2 owners, full service history, 2 keys, finished in black. Price £10,995. Please visit www.bmc-cars.co.uk, or if you go to our social media channels, Barclay Motor Company on Facebook or Instagram, please follow, like, subscribe. Now this video and all of our car videos are hosted on our YouTube channel, which is Barclay Motor Company 5243. If you head over to our YouTube channel, there's some 2,000 car videos on there. If you do, please subscribe and then you will be the first to get a little notification each time we upload a fresh car into stock. Thank you very much for your time today and goodbye.